The editorial office of the India Meteorological Department has published the third issue of the 73rd volume of its international research journal MAUSAM on 1st of July 2022, which is the July issue. The issue includes one article, 15 research papers, 3 shorter contributions, and 2 letters. The various meteorological subjects or the categories under which the research articles fall are climate variability and change, weather forecasting, extreme weather events, environment meteorology, dynamic meteorology, meteorological observation system, agrometeorology, and rainfall studies. The research articles are cyclonic storms and depressions over the North Indian Ocean during 2021 by A. Kashyapi and V. K. Shripad. Changes in the means of temperatures and rainfall of the period 1981 to 2010 with respect to mean values of 1951 to 80 over the Indian stations by T.P. Singh and S.M. Deshpande. Analysis of recent trends and variability of temperature and relative humidity over Sri Lanka by Udara Senaktileke and co-authors. Climate variability and induced droughts across the coastal fringes of the Mekong Delta, Vietnam by T.T. Nguyen and co-authors. A new neurocomputing approach for medium-range temperature prediction by Parbat Rabi Naskar and co-authors. Modeling and forecasting meteorological factors using BATS and T-BATS models for Kinjore district of Odisha by Monica Ray and co-authors. Pre-monsoon thunderstorm season climatology of convective available potential energy or CAPE and convective inhibition over eastern India by Rajesh Kumar Sahu and co-authors. Validation of cloud burst over Chennai in 2015 using radar data by Kamaljeet Ray and B.A.M. Kannan. Impact of El Nino Southern Oscillation on extreme temperature events over India by D.S. Pai and Smitha Nair. The analysis of stratospheric ozone and meteorological parameters observed at Bharti Station, Larseman Hills, Antarctica during 37th Indian Scientific Expedition to Antarctica by Rohit Thapriyal. Regression analysis of ventilation coefficient at a semi-arid IGP region using forward selection technique by Priyanka Singh and co-authors. Analytical treatment for the fractional advection diffusion equation in 3 dimensions by K.S.M. Essa and co-authors. Sustenance of Global Climate Observation System Upper Air Network of India Meteorological Department by M.I. Ansari and Ranju Madan. Uncertainties in future climate projections and consequential impact on maize productivity by R. Gautam and co-authors. Energy balance partitioning and evapotranspiration in sorghum-based intercropping system in western region of Tamil Nadu by Divya Darshini and co-authors. Simulation of climate change impact on water productivity of maize in central Punjab by Harleen Kaur and co-authors. Assessing the decadal features of rainfall and drought occurrence in Punjab by Devi Lal and co-authors. Recent floods in Kerala and its impact on rice yield in Kutanad, a retrospective analysis by Linitha Nair and Smitha Balan. Relevance of Extension Advisory Services in Climate Smart Agriculture, a review by Amit Kumar and co-authors. Unprecedented weather activity over northwest India on 23rd May 2016 by C.S. Tomar. An objective method for forecasting thunderstorms over Agartala using stability indices by Ranjan Fukan and co-authors. You all can now have the research work done by the researchers as per the subjects or the categories of your interest. Now you may submit your research paper via the website of MAUSAM. Now there is one more reason to submit your research paper on our platform, as the impact factor of the journal for the year 2021 has been increased to 0.906 from the previously recorded impact factor 0.636. The impact factor is provided by JCR or Journal Citation Reports from Clarivate Analytics, as can be seen through the trend. The National Academy of Agricultural Sciences also provides the rating to the journal called the NAS rating, which also has been increased from 6.37 to 6.64 in 2022. Here is the trend. All this is a matter of glory. The wire link and the DOI to have the issue in front of you is provided in the description box. The link to make a new research submission is also provided there. Thank you.